Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to provide you with a simple solution if you can't join meetings on Google Meet really quickly. So let us get started. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm on the landing or homepage of Google Meet. And if you have been struggling with joining a meeting of your friend or contact, for example, here on Google Meet, follow my instructions. So you try to enter the invitation code or link here and try to join the given meeting by clicking on join here. But unfortunately, you failed in doing so. So the only way how we can fix this, guys, is to apply the following steps. What you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome web browser and access your browser settings to update Google Chrome to the most recently released version. That's the first step. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner here on Google Chrome, select settings, and inside your browser settings, take a look at that panel to the left, and here at the bottom you will see an option called About Chrome. After that, when you click on it, Google Chrome will automatically look for the most recent updates, and if needed, download these automatically and install these so that you may relaunch Google Chrome and let it install the newest updates automatically. Alternatively, guys, if you are already using the most recently released version of Chrome and if there are no updates available, you will see notification telling you that. The second option would be to clear your browser's cache. To do that, simply click on these three dots here in the top right again, select delete browsing data from that menu here, or alternatively use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete or Command-Shift-Delete if you're using a Mac. And after that, that window will pop up for you. So what you want to do here, guys, is select a time range, like for example, select the cache or browsing data from the last 7 days, 24 hours, last week, last month, or the entire browsing data. So select your time range, and below make sure that you select the cached images and files here by selecting or checking this box to the left, and finalize it by clicking on that button here so that Google Chrome may clear your browser's cache. And in the last step, guys, make sure that you removed or at least turned off any extensions that might be causing this issue. To do that, click on these three dots here again, hover your mouse over extensions, and select Manage Extensions here. That is going to take you to the list of all installed and running extensions in your Chrome web browser. So go through that list and simply turn off any extensions you don't need anymore, or you think they might be the cause of this issue. Simply click on this button here to remove it, or simply disable it first. And that's basically it, guys. Applying these three steps should help you fix this issue and join meetings on Google Meet again. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.